Walsworth-Bell. I live in Cornwall on a boat some of the time, and I love writing poems. Mordros means sound the sea. I wanted to write about what the sea means to us living in Cornwall. Not everybody gets the chance to go here. The beach isn't always accessible. We spoke to adults and children. We brought the beach to them.
We visited libraries from St Ives to Falmouth. We spoke to children, we heard their words, we put their words into poems, they put their words into poems. The results were a wave of poetry.
Hi, my name's Ulrika. I'm one of the Moor poets. I love being by the sea. I'm always thinking about it. I love swimming in it, I love being on it, or even just near it. And I can't imagine life without it. To me, it does mean life and freedom.